All right, hey everybody, back with another news feed here for you. Don't forget, I hit 1, 2, or 3 of these every single day for you, so don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button. This one we were talking about, Ram might surprise, keyword being surprise. We keep hearing that, but Ram might surprise everyone with its new mid-size pickup truck, okay? This is from Top Speed. They're going to go on and they're going to talk about it a little bit and where it was and where it fit and that kind of stuff. But it says the brand CEO, Chris Fuel, confirms there's a small pickup on the horizon, okay? As far as is it going to be named in Dakota, they say they won't tell us. Wasn't willing to say much about the mid-size truck. She says that the company has already decided on a platform for the truck, but indicated that this info was a surprise announcement for later. Also indicated that reviving the Dakota model name was possible, but Ram hasn't decided on a final moniker for this yet, for this product. More details will come in 2025. This is going to be a 2026 production, or 2027 is when it's going to start, probably at the Belvedere plant. Right here is where this is going to happen at. We don't have a lot of details. So far, there's no powertrain details. Stellantis Engineering is engineering its new platform to support pure combustion, ICE engines, hybrid, and EV layouts. So anyway, they're not getting much more info on this. Well, I found another article on it. So I went into this article, and we read this one here from CarBuzz, and they're saying the same thing. You're going to hear this word again. Ram Toyota Tacoma Challenger will surprise truck fans. Now, I'm not sure that this is going to be a Tacoma Challenger or an F-150 or that stuff, maybe that size, something more like a Santa Cruz or Ridgeline, because I keep hearing, as I read all these articles on here, that they keep talking about possibly putting this on Stellantis' this STLA large platform, which is basically, this makes it a unibody structure, okay? It's not going to be on a actual truck, like actual body on frame. It's going to be more of a unibody setup, like what a Maverick is, what a Ridgeline is, what a Santa Cruz is, this kind of thing. So that makes it no way a Toyota, a Ranger, a Chevy Colorado. It's no way in comparison to any of that kind of capabilities. So we're curious on it, but they keep saying that. However, Ram could also develop an entirely new truck for the U.S. market using the STLA large platform that underpins the Wagoneer S and the Dodge Charger Daytona. This platform supports all these engine options, but it would be a unibody. So if it's a unibody, I don't want to hear anything about a Tacoma Challenger, okay, or any of that kind of stuff. But we keep hearing this surprise. Well, I went and hunted more, and I found one more article on here that actually has a little bit more information. And of course, naturally, it comes from Mopar Insiders. Mopar Insiders they get a lot of information. It says Ram CEO hints at upcoming midsize pickup trucks. It says may be delayed, but it will be brought to market. Mandatory. Okay, we've heard this for a long time, but they've officially said it, okay? Although Stellantis initially plans to produce this new midsize truck at the Belvedere Assembly Plant in Illinois in 2027, the project timeline has been delayed. The expected release date remains uncertain, but Ram CEO Chris Fuel assures enthusiasts that it will be worth the wait. It will be brought to the market. Okay, so they said it will be, this phrase right here, it will be brought to market. So we know it's coming. Okay, we know it's going to be here. They have decided. Okay, it says right here, Ram CEO says that the automaker has decided on a platform, and she thinks it will be we will be surprised by their approach. Okay, again, there's that word, surprised. This won't be a niche vehicle. We're designing it to compete globally with North America as the primary focus. Now, see, that throws the wrench in the game plan. Okay, if it's going to be a global vehicle, body on frame would be much more valuable in a lot of places, I would think. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Okay, it says Ram re-enters in the midsize segment will bring the weight of the Tacoma story history. They're going to go on to talk about that just fine. But it says hints from Stellantis EV Days 2021 presentation suggests the upcoming midsize truck could use again the STLA large platform, making it a unibody truck. This marks a significant departure from traditional body-on-frame competitors like the Ranger, Tacoma, Frontier, Canyon, Colorado, The unibody design would prioritize ride comfort. We know all that. We don't want another unibody truck. Not that they're bad, but that's not what, if they're going to try and compete in the mid-size realm, I don't think unibody's the way to go. It says right here, Ram's success with the current Rampage and so we know they already got the Rampage out. We already know they got the what's the other one? They got the Rampage. They got the other truck too overseas. I can't remember, the 1200 or whatever it is. They got these things going, but we don't know. It says here that the upcoming truck is expected to feature multiple powertrains, including an internal combustion engine, hybrids, and full electric versions. Reflecting Stellantis' commitment to future-proofing its lineup, we are designing this vehicle for the global stage. It's not about just about North America. We're offering wide range of powertrains to ensure this truck meets diverse needs and expectations worldwide. Says, while the delay at Belvedere plant creates some uncertainty, Ram's ambitious plans indicate a bold return to the mid-size segment. The revived Dakota, or whatever they call it, promises to honor its heritage while breaking new ground with innovative design and technology. I don't like the word technology. I don't like what they're planning here. It says customers will be surprised, again, that word, not just how this truck looks, but also how it performs. We're not just competing, we're setting a new standard. In what? What are they setting a standard in? Where are we coming from here? What are we getting out of this thing? Again, if you think you're setting a new standard or something, or performance with a unibody truck, remember, we're looking for trucks. We want a mid-sized truck. So I'm not really sold on this. I'm not really sure what their game plan is. I'm not really sure what they're going to do here, how they're going to do it. I don't know. I find it pretty interesting to see what's going to happen here. And the last one we want to talk about here is that Jeep we're on this subject of Stellantis. Jeep patents a new drone system as a, oops, I didn't want to show that yet. We'll show it here in a second. Jeep patents a drone system as an off-road assistant. Jeep is looking at ways to integrate drones within its vehicles. And a recent patent they filed is for off-road spotting. Okay, that would be pretty cool. So if you don't know what's up ahead of you, if you don't know if the hole that you're about to drive through is going to be the only thing you're going to encounter, or if there's going to be a place up there for you to turn around, if you're going to go down a road that you can't fit down very well, you can just hit the button and out of your center console, right up through the roof, boom, or out the window, pops a drone, comes up, you send it down through there, and it goes and scouts ahead for you, lets you know what's coming and what's ahead of your drive, and you can know whether you're going to do it. It says right there, you're using the patent, it's off-road spotting instead of a person getting out of the vehicle to survey the terrain ahead and direct the driver or through appropriate lines through obstacles. Okay, this drone can do it for you. And I'm assuming this drone would then be projected right into the infotainment center on your vehicle. So pretty cool that they got this going. We'll see where it does. Says the second patent application goes into a bit more detail on a docking station for the drone. This would be located within a vehicle's interior, possibly part of their center console storage meant as the document suggests. It would also be equipped to charge the drone, send signals allowing the drone to undock and fly out of the vehicle, perhaps through an open sunroof. Pretty cool. Third patent filed describes an alternate use of the drone itself. Instead of scouting ahead for obstacles, could be used as a security escort for vehicles and occupants. The docking station drone with data link would be used here as well. Jeep notes this is not the case for most drivers, passengers. They walk back to the vehicle, but it's pretty neat what they got going on here. That would be pretty cool. That'd be pretty neat tech to have in there. So let me know your thoughts on all this stuff. What do you think of this new Dakota? Or what they're going to do with it. Is Ram going to totally shank this? Are they going to destroy it like they're about to destroy the Wrangler with the new J80 and get rid of the Gladiator? What is Jeep going to do here? I'm getting so unhappy with the games that Jeep is playing. How are you feeling? Let me know what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching.